Hari Om, this is Shweta Vatyani. I'm a corporate yoga trainer. The word yog is being derived from the Sanskrit word yog, which actually means connection. If you want to develop the connection with your body, mind and soul, stay tuned with us for more videos on asana, pranayam, relaxation and meditation. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to know more videos on these topics. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below.